Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are in JC Road. This is JC Road of Bangalore. This is one of the most famous car adda in Bangalore. If you want to get any modifications done in for the car, this is the right place to come. Today we are here. This is my friend Aziz Hyundai EON. We are getting a central locking system fitted for his car. He didn't have one, so we are getting it done. Stay tuned and I'll be showing you the process for the same. See guys, we are fitting the RD company's central locking system. This is the kit here. This is the shop we are getting this is the shop we are getting the RD system from, central locking system, a ride in style it says. It's a small shop located in JC Road.
Video editor also different.